and thereafter invite the CS for environment. Welcome.
Oh, thank you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces, the Cabinet Secretary for Environment, Climate Change and Forestry, Honorable Soipan Tuya, Principal Secretaries, Chairman, Kenya Forest Service Board, the Chief Conservator of Forests. Mine here today, Your Excellency, is really just to introduce all our leaders who are with us this morning. And I will begin with our area MP, Madam Speaker, Madam Mheshimiwa Wangari. Asante. We also have the MP for Nakuru Town East, Mheshimiwa Gikaria, who is the chair of the Environment Committee in the National Assembly. Your Excellency, we also have, you have Madam Gathambi Charity, the Member of Parliament for Njoro, and also the chair of the Climate Change Caucus in Parliament. We have Senator Tabitha Karanja, the Senator of Nakuru. Oh, sorry. Okay. We have Honorable Lisa Chelule, the Women Rep Nakuru County. We also have Mheshimiwa Kamuren, who is the MP Baringo South. And Your Excellency, I have my colleague, who is the Governor of Taita Taveta, Governor Muadime, but also the chair, or rather also the chair of the Environment Committee of the Council of Governors. And Your Excellency, today I will only congratulate. My role here will just be to congratulate and wish the very best for our forest rangers who are graduating here today. And as they join this noble national cause, wish them all the best going forward in their careers and in helping you and us in conserving the forests. And as I conclude, I say Genesis, I quote Genesis 2:15, which says, "The Lord God took the man and put him in the Garden of Eden to work it and take care of it." So as you proceed, please help us conserve our forests. Thank you, Your Excellency, and let me take this time to